In today's FX markets, let's take a look at the Euro futures as they're experiencing some further selling pressure today. Euro futures are trading lower for a second session now, and with today's price action, we're looking at the futures market down about 0.75% currently, right around the 1.041 level, which is basically the lows of the session, as the markets are experiencing selling pressure pretty much across the board when we look at the FX futures markets today. Driving factors, a few things influencing the market, I think. Number one, global economic uncertainties continue to be a force within the market, as there is significant uncertainty as far as global economic activity moving forward. And I think that's one of the primary drivers today. Couple that with inflation data this morning. We did have some further data on inflation this morning with the GDP data, and it indicated that some of the revisions were revised slightly higher as far as inflation data. Now, tomorrow we get further PCE data, and that will be a big driver, I think, for the markets tomorrow. But today, it does appear that that higher inflation print is putting some pressure on the treasuries. And we're seeing a bid coming back into the dollar here for a second session. Now, looking at the euro is coming off the highest levels for 2025 just a couple of sessions ago before giving up ground now. And with today's price action, we're basically trading at 2-week lows, which is back in the middle of the range over the last 2.5 months. So this 104 level is pretty much in the middle of the range now that has been established since the middle of December. So selling pressure here, moving us back into the range. Now, when you look at the other major FX futures markets today, selling pressure across the board. We're seeing lower prices for basically all the majors in reaction to some of these themes, as well as the higher inflation print and the stronger dollar. So pressure here for the euro for a second day, with the euro coming off recent highs to trade to 2-week lows.